That looked awfully fine, like, just by the length of the delay, but I didn't see anything. Clearly typing on the phone. Carry on. Carry on. No, you can't. You definitely can't help me. Can you help yourself is the bigger question. Carry on. I'm not harassing you. Lena November 71 Mike Bravo Foxtrot. I will be reporting your phone use to the police.
I don't care. Send whatever you want. It's a weird thing to do. Are you a vigilante? I'm in a stationary car. I'm not moving. I'm not moving the car.
Do you think that excuse will cut it with the
Do whatever you want to the police. I don't care. You're a very sad individual. I hope you waste the police time. I hope you get a fine.
I've reported good thousands of those.
That's a waste of police time. And
don't use your phone.
What you're doing now is so dangerous. It's so dangerous.
You're talking out of your hat, mate.
I'm not moving. I'm not moving as I talk to you.
Carry on.
You carry on.
I don't want to go in front of you. I don't trust you. Dear oh dear.
You're a weirdo.
Toba, toba, toba.
Excuse me?
Toba, toba, toba.
What the fuck is that?
Oh,
Is
if you don't know what it is.
slur?
No.
Sounds
It
like
means
a
repent.
slur.
They can't. And you've got to stay off to the side here, because you never know if someone's going to drive at you. I don't think he can actually come up to me now. There we go.